You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. I've heard many mispronounce it. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this one. It's simply pronounced as Rowe. Yes, indeed, it's an old English surname and based on, somebody who used to row, indeed. So it's just like the verb to row. So don't worry about the E. It's not really there for the pronunciation. It's not pronounced. It's silent. Row. Row is how you pronounce it. English pronunciation. Row. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.